Are you trying to drive me nuts or what? Okay, guys. All right. Really, it's nothing new today. Are you done with the test?
Yeah.
Okay, did you get it? Okay. All right, it's nothing new today. Here's what we got to start out doing though. See, it says f of 4 equals -2 and f of 8 equals 4. Let's turn those into ordered pairs. All right? So what is this right here, guys? What's the ordered pair f of 4 equals -2? Whoa, 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 whoa. What would it be? Okay, 4, -2, right? Write that. And what's the second one, Corbin? Corbin.
8, 4.
Thank you. I'll tell you later. All right, now, once we get to this point, it's exactly what we just did. We need to get the slope, pick an ordered pair, put it in point slope form, put that into what? Slope intercept form, and then when we're done, change the y to what? F of x, and we're done. That's all we're doing, okay? So let's get the slope. Okay, slope formula. y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. This is slope. Okay? So, Makanda, slope girl. Makanda, help me get the slope here. Plug it in.
4 minus -2 over 8 minus 4.
Thank you. Makanda, what happens here?
Turn to positive.
Then what do you got?
6.
6 over what? Okay, now, for the love of humanity and this green earth, reduce that fraction. What's the biggest number that goes into 6 and 4? Reduce it. Do not put it into 1.5 or 1.5. Leave it as a top-heavy reduced fraction. Who can reduce that fraction for me? Logan, what do you got? 2 goes into both of them. That's my slope. 3 over 2, 3 halves. Is everybody okay? Now, my furry friends. What? What? What happened? I need to pick a point or an ordered pair, either 4, -2 or 8, 4. It does not matter. 8, 4. Is everybody okay with that? Let's pick 8, 4. So let's do this one right here. Okay. We're going to put that. This is my X. This is my Y. This is my M. Let's put that in point slope form, which is this. Y minus Y1 equals M. X minus X1. We need to sub in there, there, and there. Who can do that for me? Brandon, go ahead.
So you're going to do y minus 4.
Hang on. Y minus 4. I agree. Y's 4. Go ahead. What's the slope?
3 over 2.
Equals, or parentheses, what?
X minus 8.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Is everybody good? Is everybody good with that stuff? Now, I need to solve for y, don't I? I need to make it look like this. I distribute the 3 halves over here, right? Guys, what's 3 halves times x? Just put them together. 3 halves x, right? Now, 3 halves times the -8. Do you guys know how to do that in your head? Isn't it really, just watch this for a second. Isn't it really this? Is everybody with me on that? So here's what you can do in your head. What's 3 times -8? Negative 24, and then divide it by what? What's half of negative 24? It's got to be negative 12. Okay? And obviously you can use your calculator. We want to use mental math whenever we can. It's good for everybody involved. Pizzeria. Now, Mike, that's Vincent over there. Vince, put your hand up. That's AKA Pizzeria. His parents own a pizza shop. All right. What do I do now? I'm not done. Zach?
And add the 4.
Add 4 to both sides. What do I write over here? 3 halves x equals, 3 halves x what then?
Plus 16.
Ain't.
Negative 8.
Negative 12 plus 4 would be negative 8. Whoa. I don't know what we're distributing.
Oh, I didn't put it.
All right. Now, we have one small step to do new today. What do I got to do with that y? Change it to what, guys? F of x. That's the only thing we're doing. F of x is the same thing as y. So I'm just going to go like this. F of x equals 3 halves x minus 8. Done. That's in function notation. That's the only thing that's new. Yeah, Logan.
Are we going to be replacing the x and f of x with the number?
Nope. Now, we might later on to graph the line, then we could. But why would we do that? We already know 2 points on the line. We could just put those points and graph those. So, yeah, we're just writing equations right now. But that's a good question. Okay. I want you guys to put those into 2 points and get the slope. Get the slope.
Be careful, send an email on your behalf.
I do not. But don't put it a bad joke, and send it to all staff.
You're about like 50 grand. Send it to you.
Yes. Who'd you send it to? Hey, guys, pass the homework answers over to Matthew, please.
Oh. These had to send the results.
Oh my God. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna say, let's see, we got 8, negative 1, and I got 6, 0. Oh, by the way, is this my y-intercept? No, that's x-intercept. If that
Serious.
If that was
Your
0,
attention, please. The following groups need to go to the main gym to
La
have their
Pizzerias?
order taken. That would be for the cornhole students, French club students, German club students, drama club with Mr.
Yeah.
Costa.
You're
Look how
probably-
excited Mary was
I
to
know,
get
Mary.
out of here.
you're at the drama club?
Gym now.
Really, you should be.
The Polka club, Mr. Costa's drama club,
Matthew, you should be in the drama club too.
German club, French club, or
Everybody
sports.
good?
Oh my gosh.
Thank you very much.
Look a lot.
Hey,
Play me in cornhole.
we should start a squirt gun club.
The puzzle club.
Does anybody remember
Ping
this?
pong club.
We used to have that.
Yeah?
We did years ago.
We had 65 kids come along.
Did we do pictures?
Pictures?
On picture in the yearbook?
Why? Fishing?
I'll never forget that kid. That was terrible.
No mercy.
There was no mercy in this dojo. This kid comes. Should I tell him the story?
Yes.
This kid comes over from Lakes. We have a ping pong club. He comes over from Lake Center, which is great. He unzips, he brings his paddle in a case. Thinking, man, I'm thinking this kid's pretty good. He's kind of sweating. Oh, it was bad. He never came back after I beat him. That's terrible. I shouldn't let him win. No. Anyway.
There's a ping pong club?
There was.
Oh, what?
We do. But if you bring a paddle in a case, you better back it up.
You better be good.
So when he brought that, I'm thinking, uh-oh.
We had one kid, a former student, come in that was nationally ranked. Remember him?
No.
Overholt.
Didn't we beat him?
Pretty good.
Did we beat him? We need to do
What?
Hey,
What's that?
Are you smashing
He was graduate from Lake. He came back to play to join
no, I
to
got my
play
he has black man. Or tan. He has tan. Hey, we should do a doubles tournament.
Oh my god.
It'd be fun.
You mean Brock? Over here.
We would destroy you.
No, you wouldn't.
Puzzle club.
You're gonna have dots on your forehead.
Ping pong?
No,
Distinguished spike
I'll be
in your face.
leave. What the?
All right, guys, here we go. All right, now, guys, be careful. If that was 0.6, here's what you gotta be careful. If they give us 0.6, that's the slope, or that's the y-intercept. All I do is get the slope, and I can put it in slope-intercept right from there. But that's 6.0. That's the x-intercept. So I got to go through all this stuff. All right, Jill, help me get the slope. Plug it in. Go. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What are your y's over there?
0,
Minus.
-1,
And what about your x's?
6, -8.
Thank you. What happens here, Jill?
That becomes positive.
So it's what?
+1.
1 over.
-2.
There's my slope, -1/2. Okay? Evan, pick a point. Oh, gosh. Please pick the right one.
0, 6, 0.
Yes. Pick, anytime there's a 0, pick it. All right? Okay, so we're going to work with this point. Evan, can you put it in point slope formula for me?
Y minus 0
Leave it like that right now.
equals 1/2 negative 1/2. And then x minus 6.
Okay, now, guys, on the left side, y minus 0. What do we just write there? Isn't it just y? Okay. So I don't have to add or subtract anything over there, right? So if I distribute my 1/2, Ethan, what's that?
1/2 x.
Careful. What? Why do we? You guys are driving me to drink warm Dr. Pepper. It's -1/2.
Oh, yeah. And
Okay.
then -3. Oh, +3, I mean.
Now, we got one simple step left. Okay? We need to put it in what? Function notation. So what do I replace the y with, guys? F of x. Thank you, Bailey. F of x. That's the only thing different today. We have time to do this last one. Or should we get him on
Did
that
you do the online
time?
assignment?
Huh?
Class? Did you do the online assignment?
We started it.
Okay.
So we don't get him started on that.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, get your computers out. Is it on the homepage?
Yeah, I'll well, it's on there.
Say what?
It's for me.
All right, guys, go to Canvas.
Give your computer. Okay, just, you're not gonna do tonight's homework anyway. Okay, just chill.
Go to Canvas. You're gonna log into the online book. I know it's been a while, so I'll remind you. You go here.
Mike, get your stuff. Have you gone down to Jen Yes yet to get a computer?
No.
Let's
See the
go.
BIM
Get your
app
stuff.
tool?
Come on.
The BIM.
Get a computer.
Remember how to do this? Where are we putting stuff?
Where are you going next?
I clicked on it, but then it makes me re-log in.
Well, if you're in the online book,
I know how to get there.
yeah, this is where it's stupid. It says
Just click authorize.
no.
I
Go
got
back. Go back. You have to go. You have to try to go in once. It'll hit authorize, and you have to go back and do it again, and the second time it'll work. Just twice.
I got it.
It didn't work. One man raging.
We're not going to the
Sign
book.
in.
We're gonna. I actually made an assignment for you guys.
Oh, is it on section 4.2 homework?
Yeah, it's the 4-2 homework.
Oh, I got it then.
Where did it show up, Matthew?
On the bottom,
Bottom line.
underneath the,
Okay. Hit authorize. Now go back.
Is this our homework?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's homework, so.
Huh?
What's it called?
Section 4.2.
Is that
me?
booing?
What the hell is that?
Who said boo? Was that you, Leah?
Oh,
No.
oh, it's that.
I would never.
Alright, it looks like most of you are finding it.
First, 8 questions.
4-2 homework.
I can do this during my class.
Anybody having trouble? Other than your attitudes. Yeah.
Excuse me. I don't have an attitude. Are we just going to press on? Yeah. What?
Sorry. Do you want us to do on a separate piece of paper?
Yeah, please show your work on your paper. Are you guys serious right now? Quit your
There's only
complaining.
8 questions, guys.
Yeah, I know.
Gosh,
You're the one doing it.
Nuh-uh. I do it one time.
Exactly.
You come back. This is your first day back. You know, you have attitude. Get your butt out of here. Walk away.
Whoa. This
We
is
miss
the
the
same
Parker
place.
band right now.
I've been here every single day since you've been gone. I haven't sat in your seat one day.
Where were you, Brock? Brock, where were you? Where were you?
Oh, why do you have my calculator? Okay.
Suspension.
Oh. Why do you have my paper? I don't have do I? I want you to get my calculator.
Mary, I would boo her if I were you. I would boo her.
So what?
Yo, stop.
We're going to Canvas. Mary, log in. Go to Canvas, hit the BIM app tool, go to the online book, or the online website like for the book, and we created a homework assignment for you guys to do. You're going to show your work in your notebooks, but you're going to solve it on there as well.
Oh, this already gives you everything.
we're trying this out because some of the questions are formatted kind of like the end of course test. So you want to see how the site works.
Why am I in this?
Yes.
What? I suck at this.
That's not your dude.
This doesn't make sense. So
2
don't write that
2/3.
Plus 6.
What are you asking?
in. Don't want to.
I'm not sure what you're doing. You need to tell me where you are. I'm not what you're doing.
Thanks.
Why are you doing that? It's at point slope one. Just like you're already.
I just did some type of. Is it the section 4.2? Number 2.
You should have been on your side. Refresh the page. So go up and select one. Go up and select that button. Nice, great canvas. Select it. Drop down and out. Okay. So, yep.
Your attention, please. At this time, we want middle school student